Unlock the flavors, the magic of soy sauce marinade. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that's sure to spice up your cooking skills. Soy sauce marinade. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, understanding how to create and use a soy sauce marinade will elevate your dishes to the next level. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this culinary magic. Before we explore the marinade, let's understand what soy sauce is. Soy sauce is a traditional Asian condiment made from a fermented paste of soybeans, roasted grain, brine, and Aspergillus oryzae or Aspergillus sojae molds. It's known for its rich, umami flavor, which adds depth and complexity to dishes. Soy sauce comes in various types, including light, dark, low sodium, and tamari, each offering unique flavors and uses in cooking. Moving on, let's talk about what a marinade is. A marinade is a seasoned liquid used to flavor and tenderize meats, fish, and vegetables before cooking. The key components of a marinade include acids, like vinegar or lemon juice, oils, and flavorings, such as herbs, spices, and, in this case, soy sauce. The acid helps tenderize the protein, the oil adds moisture, and the flavorings infuse the food with delicious tastes. Now, let's focus on how to create the perfect soy sauce marinade. The beauty of soy sauce marinade lies in its simplicity and versatility. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. 1/2 cup soy sauce. Adjust based on the type of soy sauce and your sodium preference. 2 tablespoons oil, like sesame oil for an Asian twist. 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon minced ginger. 2 tablespoons brown sugar or honey, for sweetness. A pinch of pepper or a few chili flakes, for heat, optional. Mix these ingredients in a bowl until the sugar dissolves. This marinade is perfect for chicken, beef, tofu, and vegetables. Feel free to customize it by adding your favorite herbs or spices. For the best results, here are some tips and tricks. Marinate in the fridge to keep the food safe. Timing matters. 30 minutes to 2 hours for fish and vegetables, and up to 24 hours for meats. Don't reuse marinade that has been in contact with raw meat, unless it's boiled first. And there you have it. You're now ready to enhance your meals with the rich, savory flavors of a soy sauce marinade. Experiment with different ingredients to find your perfect blend and make each meal a delightful experience. Happy cooking, and I hope this video has inspired you to explore the wonders of soy sauce marinades. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.